Hello, sir. Good afternoon. I'm Rupal from Industrial Outlook magazine, and we are here for RAI 2023. Let's start with your brief introduction.
Yeah. As you know, Novasys is a module manufacturing company based at Nagpur. Today we are here for REI and we are showcasing new technologies, TopCon. We are introducing now, but probably it will take another 3 months to be in the market because of certification is required. We are expanding as well. Today we have capacity of around 500 to 600 megawatt per annum, and we are expanding to 1 gigawatt by the end of this financial year.
Okay. What are your plans for upcoming years?
For upcoming, whatever new technology would be coming, we would be the first to introduce in the market. That is one. TopCon is the futures. Definitely our machines which are there with us or new machines which are coming up, they are capable of producing TopCon modules.
Okay. Any current project that you are working on?
Project in the sense, definitely we are, as a developer, we are developing one solar park in Nagpur itself, which is in first phase is going to be 10 megawatt. And then further with the development, we'll be going for 50 megawatt solar park as well.
So, how Nova is adapting new technological innovations?
Technically, it all depends on the market, the world where it is moving. Same we are adopting. Because ultimately, on R&D, in India, we don't have much facility. So whatever R&D is going on the top scale, in the world scale, same thing we are adopting, which is proven. That is what we are introducing in the market.
Okay. Do you think automation will help, renewable energy industry in future?
100% automation is the enough requirement because it improves the quality and it speeds up the quantity also. So requirement is growing, technology is growing, so we require good quantities with a better quality. That's why automation is required.
That's it. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you for your